Alright guys, I have some bad news. This morning I moved out my car and noticed this huge puddle on the edge of my street. I had my Scion XP parked here and I just did an oil change, and apparently the drain bolt has an issue where it's leaking. So I'm going to head out to Amazon, look for one of those drain plug repair kits and see if it resolves my problem.
Guys, we're here on Amazon right now. Did some research, found this D-Fill piggyback oil drain plug. It fits my Scion XP perfectly. It's currently on Amazon for $25. I mean, it's a cheaper and time-saving alternative to just getting a whole new oil drain pan. Unbolting, putting new gaskets and whatnot. This supposedly will take maybe, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes to do, so it'll definitely save you a lot of time and some money. I mean, oil drain pans are not that expensive, but it's definitely a time saver. So let's buy this and let's take a look at it.
Alright guys, today we're checking out the D-Fill oil pan thread repair kit. Some of you may have experienced stripped threads on your oil pan due to over tightening or cross threading, or going to those quick lube places where apparently they don't give a crap and they just want to get you out. So they strip your threads and then eventually start leaking oil and whatnot. That's what happened with my Scion XB. It's currently leaking oil. I'm unable to tighten the oil drain pan bolt, and it's continuing to have a slow leak. So I bought this on Amazon, so we're gonna install it and see how it works. All right, these are the contents. We got the bolt with the inner drain plug here. The outside bolt is supposedly going to seal the stripped threads on the oil pan, while you remove the center bolt in order to drain your oil. Comes with an Allen key over here, a couple more washers, and as you can see here, yeah. So basically you first bolt the outer section first with a 17 millimeter. Oh god, why is it not focusing? Alright, here you go, 17 millimeter. And yeah, so first off you bolt this, and then when you want to drain the oil, you just use the Allen key to pry the middle part open and just watch the oil flow out, and you reseal it again with the Allen key. And there is another washer inside there, so it comes with the extra ones for you to plug back in after every oil change, and you can always buy spares for pennies. So yeah, let's put this thing on. Alright, as you can see, I've taken out the drain bolt. The drain bolt itself seems to be fine, not really cross-threaded, so I'm guessing the oil pan drain bolt is the culprit for the leaks. So I got my new D-Fill bolt here, so let's put that on. Squeeze in here. Okay, let's see. All right. And as you're turning it, you will want to turn it to the counterclockwise position to unscrew it a little bit, and then switch it back to continue threading. You can feel it binding to the oil pan. Alright, it's getting tighter. You can feel it. Alright, turn it counterclockwise, loosen it up, turn it clockwise again to tighten it. You feel it getting a little tight. course, you don't want to over torque it and have it strip again. So if you feel a little resistance, you just leave it at that, and you should not see any more oil leaking out. All right. Oops, let me fix this camera. All right. Once you've gotten that tightened down, you'd want to grab a can of brake cleaner, and you want to take the whole thing out again so you can spray down whatever shavings that's in there. Let's do that. All right, considering it's been dripping for a while, let's spray this thing down. All right. Hopefully that washes off any metal shavings from the threads. Oh man, this thing won't stop. All right, so let's give it another 5 minutes for the brake clean to dry and see what happens. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Let's put this plug back in. Okay. All right, so previously this thing was dripping a lot. It's like every 3 or 4 seconds you would see a drop just come out. So let's see if you see anything. Still dry as a bone. All right, no more playing with it. Let's see. Nice and tight. The previous bolt would actually continue to spin even by hand, so there wasn't enough pressure on the gasket to seal that oil in. So far I'm seeing no oil. It looks very promising. Let's come back in 5 minutes and see what's up. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Got a new shop towel. Let me scrub around it, see if there's any signs of oil. Dry as a bone. So this thing is great. I mean, albeit I haven't added any oil yet. I'm on my way to Costco to grab some 0W20. It's on sale, 6 quarts for $30. So I'll see you again in an hour or so.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. Apparently it got dark pretty quick last night, so I wasn't able to add any oil or buy any new oil. But as you can see here, it's still bone dry after 12 hours or so. So this thing actually seals pretty good, actually perfectly. Not a single drop. So yeah. Alright, so the defill oil drain plug, what do I think? Initial impressions seems to be working very well. There's no oil leaks or anything like that, but only time will tell how long it'll last. But if you need a really quick way to prevent leaks in your oil pan without buying the whole pan itself and spending hours unbolting, applying gaskets and whatnot, this will save you a ton of time. And this is a bit cheaper than buying a whole oil pan. So I have the link in my description below if you want to go check it out. The link is there. Thank you so much for watching.